Do-it-yourself Dell here with an unusual product. This is supposedly for woodpeckers, and around here, woodpeckers seem to be attracted to wood surfaces, like say a garage or side of a house or something, and they tend to poke holes in it. Perfectly round holes, but holes nonetheless that have to be with a putty knife and some compound to fill up the holes and so forth. But this product apparently is to attract them and make them happy. And there's walnuts and pecans and different sorts of nuts in here. There's beef, S-U-E-T, suet.
Suet?
Suet, beef suet. And so you can see it's a pretty good package. You go to the hardware store to buy this stuff. So
I think it's called a suet cake. It's like that.
yeah,
hard
suet
square.
cake. And for year-round, it's good for year-round, and you see that happy bird there, and then you see all the nuts on the top. Is somebody out in front there? No. So in case you're the one person in the whole wide world that wants to attract these birds and make them happy, this is the stuff for you. It exists. It exists. So I guess this is it's not a real light thing either. It's a solid deal. So I guess that's what makes woodpeckers need stuff that's more dense. And here it is, folks. Comenta y suscríbete.
Looks like Maple's pulling up. Smile for the thumbnail.